This trading strategy made over $3,300 in less than 1 month, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact footprint so you can replicate it, and it's so simple that you will want to do it every single day. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel, and as well, back in the description you got a 10% discount coupon so you can get Forex online for a cheaper price. But let's dive straight into the chart so you can see how simple it is, and let me tell you at the end of the video I'm going to pass a prop challenge live with you so you can see how it performs. So let's start off, and the first thing is obviously we are in gold. Okay, you can use this trading strategy in most of the assets, but obviously in gold the psychological levels work really well. So first of all, gold and the 1 minute time frame. It doesn't need to be in the 1 minute time frame, but obviously it's easier to see because we're going to be using the round numbers. So we're going to head to indicators, to adaptive, and here we can find our psychological levels. So once we've got this open, we only need to change 5 for 1, okay, the level step multiplier for the size of these round numbers, and we'll press apply. Now we've got our psychologicals displayed. Remember that I said that this strategy you only need to count to 3, and basically it's because the setup is so simple. You don't need anything else. We don't need any daily bias. The only thing we're going to have is a small internal trend. That's all. So let's do some drawing so you can actually understand where we get this 1, 2, 3. So basically, first of all, how do we get our trend? And this is number 1. Basically, a trend forms when we get 1, 2, 3 steps on the psychological levels. Okay, so if the price is down here and it touches this price and then this price, so it's basically 1, 2, 3 touches in a row, this is our trend and it means a strong impulse. So this is obviously number 1. So now the number 2 is our retracement. If the price comes down here and retraces to this level here, this is number 2. If the price drops down to here, we've lost the trend and this starts a new number 1. So now we've got the number 2. What we need now is our confirmation. So now the only thing we need is the price to come back up here, and this will be our number 3 because this is our confirmation. So 1 trend, 1 retracement, 1 confirmation. That's everything we need for this trading strategy, and I know it sounds really stupidly simple, but it's really effective. So basically, when we get number 2, we are going to put a buy stop on this level above here, because obviously if price moves fast, we can lose this entry, because at the end of the day it's a scalping strategy and things happen very fast. So this is actually uptrend setup, and now the downtrend setup will be basically our 1 number here. Then we get our number 2, that is the retracement, and then our number 3, that is the confirmation, and we'll be entering at this low here. So this is how simple it actually works. Obviously we'll see some real examples now on the chart, but as you can see, it's stupidly simple, but it works every single day on virtually every asset, because at the end of the day, it's the natural movement of the charts. So let's head to the real charts now, and let me tell you that we are going to be trading, or at least this backtest was made at the New York session. So obviously we're going to use go to and go to the New York session, and once we're here, the only thing we need to do is wait for our first trend to happen. Obviously we have existing trends, but we're not going to take them because they are pre-London Open and we're interested in the post-London Open. So basically now we're just going to wait for an actual trend to happen, and there we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. We have our number 1. Now basically we're going to wait for the price to retrace up here or continue going down. Okay, so obviously the only thing we're going to be looking is actually for a retracement to our level. So as you can see here, perfect. We've got our retracement, so we've got 1, 2, and now we only need to basically add a sell stop just here below, and we can do this really simple here. So we'll just add our stop, and it will be a sell stop, so we just add it just down here, and our stop loss is going to go just the double size of our take profit, so it's going to be a risk reward of 2 to 1. So our take profit is just going to go down here, and obviously this has a reason, and it's basically having this risk reward makes us have a higher win rate, and if we only take a couple of trades a day, we have higher odds to actually finish the day with profit instead of having losses. So basically we're going to place our order, we're risking 2% there, and now we just need to wait to see if the price either breaks the trend up over here or it comes down and enters the trade. So let's see what happens. Perfect, it's gone straight up, so obviously we are taking away this sell stop, and now we are focusing on this new setup. So I have 1, 2, and let's wait to see the 3 happen. So we just add here our buy stop, and there we go, and let's see if it opens. Perfect, it's open, and there we've hit the take profit. What we do now, just look for another one. So basically now we have our 1, Let's see if we get the 2. There we go. We'll enter another buy just above here. Place the order and let's see how it performs. So now it's coming down. Okay, it's just about to break. Perfect. It's broke our trend. We didn't enter the trade, so perfect. We don't lose any money. And now we just need to wait for a retracement here, or if it comes down here, retracement to this zone here. So let's go forward. There we go. It's barely touched the level, so I would consider it actually touched. Now it's touched it completely. Let's keep it going down. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Now it's done the number 2. And let's see. Okay, it's broken to trend and it just come back down. Perfect. Another number 2. Let's see if it goes up. And it looks like it might. Okay, there it's broke through. So we'll be entering the trade just so here. Perfect. Let's place the order. And there we go. Perfect. Another take profit. And as you can see, it's so simple. We don't need to look at anything else. Only a 1 minute chart on the gold. And it's as simple as it gets. But let's look now at the results of a complete month of trading using this strategy. I've been trading in January 2026, so really recent data. If we come to analytics, we'll be able to see that I did a total of basically 51 trades. Okay, and these 51 trades gave me a profit factor of 4.30. This is massive. And if we look at the win rate, we're sitting at 90%. This is completely absurd. And obviously, if we do maybe 500 or 1,000 trades, this will probably go a bit lower. But even that, it's a really high win rate and it's really profitable. If we come and look at the equity chart, we can see that it's just basically going up. It basically has no drawdowns, just this one here, this one here, and that's it. Basically, it's just a roller coaster that always goes up. The best part is that obviously our drawdowns are really reduced at a 3.6% and we've gained a 33%. So that is completely massive. And even if you're completely crazy and you're not happy with this result, we can come to analytics insight and make things even better. Like maybe consider increasing the position after winning streaks. If I click on here, basically I can see that it's going to recommend me to do a ×2 after 2 wins. Okay, so basically if I get 2 winning trades in a row, I'm going to double my position onto the next loss. And by doing this, my net profit would grow to $5,800, improving by a 71% my net profit. So this is absolutely crazy, and I didn't have to do anything to get these data. It all does it completely automatically in Forex Online. And as well, I've got my exit optimizer where I could scroll my stop loss and my take profit, and I would get different net profits. And obviously this is great as well because it tells me the max holding duration that I should have on every trade to basically get the maximum profit that I can. But let's go to the interesting part of this video and let's see if this strategy can pass a prop firm in the first attempt. So obviously let's go to prop challenge and custom challenge. We're going to search for gold, add it in quickly here, 10,000 account, that's 5. Let's go gold live for the name. And let's go obviously to some recent data of 2026. So backtest finished in February, so obviously let's start in February the simulation. Let's add 3 trading days as a minimum, so let's just add it like that. And profit target is going to be an 8% because obviously it's as it is on the most prop challenges. Maximum daily loss can stay at 5, maximum total loss can stay at 10. And let's select our time zone, that will be London. So let's start this project out and let's see if we can get some nice trades here. So obviously first we're going to do is come to adaptive psychological levels, set this to 1, and obviously go to the 1 minute time frame, and most important, go to our New York session. So obviously what we're going to do is going to take 1 trade a day, risking a 5%, so obviously the max daily loss, pass it as fast as possible. So every day we'll be aiming to get more or less a 2.4% of the account. So with the minimum 3 trading days will be at 7.5, so we only need a 0.5 to actually pass the challenge. So let's start off, and obviously let's wait for the first trend to happen post New York Open. And let's just slow this just a little bit down. And just now we are in this downtrend, so obviously if it comes down here we'll get a new sequential of trend, and if it comes up here we'll get a new trend because it'll be 1, 2, 3. So let's see what happens over here. There we go, we've got our downtrend, so let's see if we get any type of retracement just here above. Okay, it's going below, going below. Perfect, there we go, we've got our first one here, so we'll be entering our self stop just here below. Our stop loss is going to be just here above, and our take profit is just going to be down here. So now we're going to set our risk to basically 4.5 8%, because obviously in the real market is slippage, and if we set a complete 5% risk, the slippage will be breaking the daily max loss. So let's place this trade over here and let's see how it performs. Here we go, it's entered the trade. Let's see if it hits take profit. Perfect, it's hit the first take profit, so we'll be sitting at 2.25%. So let's head to the next London open session. As you can see, really fast, it only took us a couple of minutes, so obviously it won't take us too much time. And let's see the next trend. So perfect, 1, 2, 3, we've got our uptrend. Okay, it's true trace back down, so we'll be entering a buy position just here above. So let's place it like that, place order, and let's see if we get a nice trade really quickly. Okay, it looks like it might come up again. Okay, it's opened our trade. Let's see if we hit take profit. Just about to hit it. Okay, there we go. Our second take profit, sitting at 4.5%. So obviously we're going to go to our next London Open. Sorry, New York Open. And let's see if we get our third trade when we'll be sitting nearly at profit target. And then we only need one trade more because we'd have the minimum days completed. So just now we have a downtrend. So we're going to just wait for this to actually change, because obviously we want a post New York Open trend. So it's just about to hit this one down here. Let's see, let's just speed this up just a little bit. Okay, there we go, our downtrend. Let's see if we get some retracement. Okay, there we go, got a nice retracement there. So let's enter our sell position just down here. Let's see if we look in, we get our third trade. Okay, it's virtually touched this level, so obviously I'm going to cancel this sell stop here. Let's see if we get retracement back to enter the long position. There we go, got a nice retracement here, so obviously we are going to enter our buy position here. So let's see if we can catch this long. Okay, it's into the trade. Let's see if it hits take profit. There we go, nice take profit. Just now we're sitting at a 6.7%, so we are virtually done. So obviously we just need to go to our next New York session. And let's see if we can get this last trade to pass this prop challenge. And the reason that I'm actually doing only one trade a day and not trying to do them all in one day is basically because with really high win rate, I've got more odds to actually just get one take profit a day than getting several in one day and passing it in one day. Because obviously every new take profit reduces the odds of getting a new take profit. So let's head to this last day. Just now we have a nice downtrend, so just now we're going to wait for a new trend to happen. So there we go, let's see, perfect. Now it's come back down as it added a new cycle. So 1, 2, 3, it's retraced here. Let's see if we can enter our sell position just here below and finish this challenge if we get a take profit. So looks like it's got quite a lot of momentum. There we go, perfect, we've passed the prop challenge. As you can see, we've made a 9% total. We didn't even need to make the complete take profit to actually pass the challenge. Normally I would reduce the risk to actually match it, so I just get as much as I need, but in this case it worked perfectly. 4 days in a row we've passed the prop challenge. Does this actually mean that you're going to pass every single challenge just like I did now? Obviously not, and this obviously is no financial advice. You must backtest the strategy yourself, make 500 trades on it, and then pass several prop challenges with it to see actually your funding rate, so you can see how many challenges really you could do and if you can actually make money. And obviously if you've got any questions, drop them back down in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed this video. My name is Jack and I'll see you next time.